Merong brand new modern house dito sa BF Homes Parañaque. As in, ultra-modern yung design. May lot area na 295 square meters at floor area na 380 square meters. Facing southwest. Pasukin na kagad natin ang iyong future house. Tapos ang luwag ang laki ng iyong door. Pasukin natin. Welcome to your ultra-modern house. Meron ka ritong foyer at na-appreciate ko talaga yung double height ceiling. Mala hotel ang peg niya. At ito naman ang iyong dining area. Cute din yung lighting fixture. Meron ka pa ritong fluted panel na design. And then you have your covered lanai. Meron tong powder room. Ito yan. And ground floor bedroom na may sariling bathroom. At meron ding covered lanai. Meron pang cabinet dito.